Si Ben at Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to PhilCanSec's latest Elderly Presentation 2013. So, on the floor, we have the gorgeous ladies on their production number. So, guests, sit back, enjoy, and relax, and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, Miss Jocelyn. Miss Jocelyn, welcome po sa aming presentation. Napagod agad. So, sir, what can you say about the production number? Ano po? Konting chika-chika lang, sir, kasi...
sila.
Opo.
Introduction, sir. Introduction.
How about the presentation and all po?
Pero sa tanong sir.
Nakita ka, sir, sa video, sir.
Hindi ako makikita sa camera kaya hindi ako humigit na.
Takot sa camera. What can you say about our nice presentation?
Okay. Sige.
Gusto ka nung go, sir, Bing.
Sige, ano muna, no? Bihis muna dyan. But by the way, this is your last day, di ba?
Yes.
Okay, so far, no?
So far.
So good. Nakabilang natin so far, no? So clean, so good. Okay. Tag dito, those who can hear these words, no? I always say this. Okay. You learn from us, no? And
Naiyak na si Sir!
okay, sige. So you learn from us, and at the same time we learn from you also, no? And not exactly, for example, the topics, no, but other things, no? So thank you to all.
Sir, ano yung other things na yun?
Yung ibang kalokohan yun, mga
Mga kalokohan.
sabihin.
Okay. Maraming salamat, sir, for that
Wonderful.
words of wisdom. Words of wisdom.
Si Jenny! Ha? Jocelyn.
Jocelyn, is there any piece of advice for kasi may graduate na din po na isa sa amin, hindi niya na rin po siya mamimit. Is there any advice or special comment po?
Special comment, Facebook lang.
May videohan daw.
Hello, so far, so good again. Anyway, thank you for the warm welcome for me at the same time, and also your last day for Sir Dick. And I know that you are doing good. And congratulations for the one whoever is that to be graduating or already graduate. And we are looking forward for another subject, which is the fundamentals of nursing. But today's presentation is great for me because we don't know how to dance. For me, I'm not dancing, so I will just see for your dance and then relax as you're saying.
Relax.
Then as you learn from us, then we're also learning from you about the dance and everything about this arts and everything. Okay, so just continue to do your whatever that what you know is good for this presentation. By the way, my name is, okay, this is our first day for the fundamentals as well. You can call me Ma'am Joyce Rivera because Jocelyn is my, okay, very formal. So you can call me Ma'am Joyce, okay?
Alright, thank you, Ma'am Joyce, for that wonderful message. Kuya Ding, comment? Is there any
Violent
violent
action.
reaction? Sir Vic, endorse nyo na po kami kay Ma'am Joyce yung mga late. Alright, so as you can see, mga naka-ready na ang ating mga elderly.
Elderly talaga?
Oo, sir, elderly ang mga yan, pero hot na hot. May asim pa.
Hindi ba bubuksan yung yung gitna? Yung gitna ilaw? Yung gitna ilaw? Oh my gosh, you're so hot.
Look at their dress. Talagang effort na effort. May naka-Venus ka?
Hindi na yan. Yes!
Hindi kayo makilala.
Ang ganda niyo, oh my gosh! Uy, maganda na lahat yun. Buksan na lahat.
Ito lang buksan.
Hindi, maganda lahat. Buksan na lahat. Yung maganda. Hindi, lahat na.
Nag-evolve ba?
Hindi, lahat na. Lahat na.
Lahat na lang.
Yan, mas maganda. Mas maliwanag din maganda sa video.
Alright, so ready na tayo, elderly team? Yeah! Alright, so let's welcome the elderly team for their wait. Can't take my eyes off you dance. Let's give them a round of applause.
Yun nga. Tara na sa
And that's what we have from the elderly team. Thank you so much, gorgeous ladies. Yes. All right, so we have for the next number.